Hey everyone, welcome back to Konai's Courses. I'm Atharva, and on this channel we learn coding and modern tech skills from beginner to advanced in a simple and practical way. In the previous videos, we learned about functions in JavaScript. Now imagine this situation. You want to store multiple values in one, like a list of fruits, students, names or scores. You could create many variables like this. But this quickly becomes messy. So JavaScript gives us something better called arrays. And like always, we'll understand this using simple stories. What is an array? Imagine you have a fruit basket. Inside the basket, you place apple, banana, mango. Instead of storing each fruit in a separate box, you put them all of them in one basket. In programming, that basket is called an array. An array stores multiple values inside a single variable, like let fruits is equals to bracket quote apple quote banana and quote cherry. Here fruits is the basket and apple, banana, mango are the items inside of the basket. Accessing item in an array. Now imagine each fruit in the basket has one label. Apple position 0, banana position 1, mango position 2. In programming, this position is called an index. Important thing, arrays start counting from 0, not 1. For example, we have this and then we write console.log fruits 0. And now when we run this program, there it says apple because we write the apple ID which is 0 and banana's ID is 1. So if we change this to 1, it will show banana. Changing values in an array. Imagine you want to remove banana and replace it with orange. We can do the same thing in JavaScript. We write fruits bracket 1 is equals to, let's say, mango. And when we console.log fruits, it will say mango. Now the array becomes apple, orange and cherry. Adding items to an array. Imagine your fruit basket has space for more fruits. You can add grapes to it. In JavaScript, we use push to add items. For example, fruits.push and we choose a fruit. Let's say we want to add a grape. And when we run this program, it says banana, apple, banana, cherry, grape. Now the basket contains apple, banana, cherry and grapes. Array length. Sometimes we want to know how many items are inside the basket. JavaScript gives us a property called length. So when we write fruits.length and we run this program, it says 4 because we have 4 items in the basket. Real life example. Imagine you are building a game scoreboard. Instead of scoring scores like let's score 1 is equals to something and let's score 2 is equal to something, you can store them in an array. For example, let's score is equals to bracket 100, comma 95 and so on. It's much cleaner this way and easier to manage. Quick recap. Today we learned about arrays in JavaScript. Arrays allows us to store multiple values in one variable. Important things: how to create an array. Let fruit is equals to bracket any fruit you want. Access values, fruit and the fruit ID. Add values, fruit.push. Check length, fruit.length. Arrays are extremely useful when working with list of data. And that's it. Now you understand arrays in JavaScript. In the next video on Konai's courses, we will learn about loops in JavaScript, which allows us to repeat actions automatically. So make sure to subscribe if you want to learn coding step by step. I'm Atharv and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!